a little bit of time lost by stabilizing pays for itself. So don't be afraid to do a little stabilizing stroke. So anyway, what I was saying is, so when I'm paddling like I should, I do this. I kind of go in, go down. When I feel my hand about here, pop out. It's okay to actually pop out a little high, because it makes it a lot easier to angle down in, you know. So again, kind of exaggerating, but because you want to be comfortable, you don't want to feel, you know, mechanical. It should be like fluid, relaxed, just kind of. And again, it's almost like you want to feel your butt lifting off the seat. If you get that sensation when you drive down, that some of the weight's coming off your seat, and that probably means you're doing it right. And that'll kind of give you the idea that you want to kind of, you know, drive down with your top arm, and you can feel that little bit of release off your seat. You know you're being efficient because you're using your body, kind of thing. And a lot of your posture looks really good. You want to, we could say, keep your belly button out. So you want to kind of like, you know, have good posture and just go down and pull in the force should be coming from like your torso and your your shoulders and stuff like that. Really, if you do too much, I don't see anybody doing too much of this, which is really good. You know, a lot of people paddle, you see them going like this, you know. And it's fast for like 10 minutes, but then it just kills your biceps after a while. Your body's just not made to do like curls all day, you know. But you can. It's like starting a lawnmower. Actually, that's the good analogy. If you're going to start a lawnmower, you don't go like this. You go like this, and you use your torso. So it's kind of the same idea. And this will recover a lot quicker than doing a lot of this. So, but you don't want to do a straight arm either. Everything should be like. Never anything that's exaggerated. It should be like natural, relaxed. And everybody's going to look slightly different, and that's okay. We're all built differently, right? So, but you got to like develop your own style, but constrained within a couple of principles, and that's try to get your stroke like in this area. Except when you're like you need to like stretch and relax, and that's okay. Dan will stretch it out a little bit. You know, it's okay to do it for 20 minutes just to do something different. Okay, guys, we're going to stretch it out. You know, work on your breathing, and just mix it up. You'll be able to enjoy yourself a lot better. So while we're stopped, why don't we try to gently go to the opposite side? You guys in the middle. How many seats go? Slide. All spot 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Avery, does your seat slide too? Yeah. Does it really need to slide? You can probably be in the middle, right? You're not. I wouldn't worry about sliding so much.
Yeah, I'm in the middle right now.
You're not really going. You can't slide much anyway, right? So, not to say that you're wide or anything. But it's the Canoe's narrow. Yeah. Yeah. So the two front guys, yeah. Don't. I mean, obviously Dan's not going to slide, but yeah, I would just say number 3, 4, 5, and 6 do the sliding, and that way that's one less weight that you're going back and forth on. Okay. So now everybody's on your opposite side, right? So why don't we try to head back up?
So when he switches sides, do I need to switch sides as well?
It doesn't really matter. You should switch when you need to.
Okay.
But I guess what I would do in these practices here is just kind of do what we're doing. Just kind of paddle, kind of easy on just one side for 5-10 minutes, and then say, okay, everybody, let's switch, stop, switch, and then eventually just kind of work up. Because we're gonna have to lubricate those seats more to get, you know, shifting like you saw in the video, where you can just go ready, hut, and you're. But you're gonna miss a couple strokes to the switch. And don't worry about it. I mean, this thing has so much momentum, it doesn't slow down much between you miss a couple strokes. So. But, are you a little tight up there? Or?
Yeah, get both. You can't do both legs. You gotta put one in front of the other.
Yeah, that's the curse of the bow person.
Yeah. Because I feel it right on my backside.
I think we should be able to put another brace. This is just Velcroed in here.
Probably
have some other Velcro. And maybe we'll cut another piece of foam. Because it looks like we could put your toe up. Like we could put a foot restraint about here. I almost put both feet up.
it'd be closer, yeah.
Yeah, that's really where your knee should be bent just slightly either parallel.
Right.
Parallel or this is where I like to paddle a little bit.
Right.
My thighs are maybe uphill or slightly level. And that's
Right.
the most
Now this one,
comfortable.
and I can feel the pressure off my bottom now.
Yeah, 'cause even if you're down, it's like here. It's like kayakers have their feet like this. And I can't put your lower back. So yeah. So is there any water in the boat yet?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, why don't we get going again, and we'll see if we can pop that baler once it's moving, and see if we can suck out that water. Like I got one too in my boat. I got a hole somewhere. But ready to get rolling? Okay. Yeah, just keep an eye on the guy in the front. I mean, sometimes you can't really see Dan, but try to concentrate, especially the number 2 and number 3 need to be kind of watching Dan because the rest of you guys have to key off of them. So. Good.
Yeah. Full of speed, boys.
What's your name in number 3 then?
Wyatt.
Wyatt, you said?
Yep.
Oh, Wyatt, okay. I'm kind of watching your stroke there, Wyatt. Looking pretty good. You're probably reaching a little further than you have to. It's kind of hard to tell, but if you think about going in right about your ankle and then pushing down. You guys do throw off a nice wave, by the way. So Wyatt, do you think I can hand you off a paddle? Yeah. I didn't realize you didn't have a stick. Let me see if I can. Go ahead and stop paddling there, Wyatt. Paddling. Yeah, I guess. That's like a one I brought nice to use. So that might feel a little different, but we'll probably a whole lot later.
Yeah,
Yeah, you guys made it further than we did for a time before we tipped over, so really good.
Hey, is there any ways to like good spots to put your hand on the paddle? Is there any like good distance like
Whatever feels good. That's another way to mix it up, by the way. If you put it right down near the blade, you feel a little bit more power. But you can't get much speed. So if your boat, for some reason, you need to get more power, hold your hand way down. This gives you more leverage. But if you want more speed, it's like going to a higher speed on a bike, just move your hand up a little bit. It a lot depends on the strength. Like Wyatt, you could probably paddle about anywhere and get your strength, right? It's whatever feels good. No, Wyatt. Are you saying those are actually silicone implants? Now, did you guys talk about what you're going to drink or how you're going to drink? Or did Dale explain that? Okay. Usually what we do is, I'm trying to think what's prepared in this boat. Normally we use 2-liter like soda bottles.
Really?
Like I have a 1-liter bottle here. And we have some kind of a food safe hose. Obviously, you don't want to use some kind of weird hose for automotive, but some kind of a vinyl. And that way, I normally just have like a piece of Velcro. So the end of my hose, I have it on the side of my boat. When I want to drink, I just grab it and I can keep paddling while I'm drinking as well. So work on that. I know Dale mentioned that we'll need to get you set up with some kind of a drink system. And of course, then you'll have to have a spare, so when your pit crew finds you, you'll need to swap out your used bottles for new ones. Now, there's been times where I didn't take water because the water's so clean up there, you can drink out of the lake. But depending on your insurance plan, maybe you don't want to do that. But we've done that before, where all I took was a cup with a handle on a string, and when I was out in the middle of one of the lakes, I just drank out of the lake. So, but I don't recommend it. So again, the race organizers provide water and food and candy bars at the portages, or a lot of the portages, so you can get, if you've drained your supply, you know, there's always water isn't too far away. But the race organizers don't like the teams to depend on it for their sole source of water, because that's, the poor volunteers, you know, would have to haul in 1,000 pounds worth of stuff. But so most of the stuff you'll need, you probably carry with you. But it sure is nice to grab a Snickers bar, you know, after 3 hours of paddling that they have setting out. So. But no, I mean, everything looks actually really good. I mean, so let's see, Wyatt. Yeah, I wouldn't.